Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. D's channel, and today I will bring you a unique topic that we will learn together, and it's called academic speaking. But what is actually academic speaking is, and why it's important, and what are the components or the parts in this academic speaking? Do you want to know? Let's learn together with Mr. G. So let's talk about academic speaking, everyone. So what is actually academic speaking? Well, generally, academic speaking is a specific type of oral communication that focuses on formal or specific contents or topics. Like example, seminars, lectures, and presentation. And what is related to academic speaking? So it's a specific communication that based on academic contents and is focused to deliver and inform the viewers related things towards academic. So why academic speaking is important? Well, academic speaking is important because it enhances the students' ability to deep learning for the material course that they are learning in. It's also helping them to think critically about the material, and it also gives them extra confidence when performing presentation at exam. Let's learn the contents or the lessons inside the academic speaking itself. According to Academic English UK, academic speaking has 3 essential skills or lessons. The first one is called seminar. The second one is called presentation, and the third one is called debate. What are these 3? Now let's learn it slowly one by one. Let's go! Now let's talk about the first one. It's called seminar, and here we gotta learn from Academic English UK. Let's learn together. So, what is a seminar? According to Academic English UK, generally it's a small discussion on a specific topic among a group of students. At university, it can be a central part of the learning process, which is often connected to pre-reading texts or post-lecture discussions. Commonly, at university English language centers, seminars have become a feature of testing English speaking through fluency, conversational skills, and ability to discuss complex subjects. But why are we having seminars? There are 4 reasons why we have seminars. First, it is explore topics in more depth. Second, share ideas in a way that will advance your thinking. Third, learn from other people's experience and background knowledge. And fourth, improve transferable skills for career development. Now let's move to the next one, and it's presentation. Still, according to Academic English UK here, academic presentations are an integral part of university study and assessment. Academic presentation may be represented individually or as a group activity, but both require the skills of planning and structuring information. The key difference between an academic presentation and a general presentation is that it is usually quite formal and includes academic research to evidence the ideas presented. The presentation will include reference to credible sources and demonstrate clearly your knowledge and familiarity of the topic. So how do we make a good academic presentation? Well, there are 6 things to know. Number 1, think about the aim of your presentations and what you want to achieve. Number 2, concentrate on your audience, who they are, and what they want to know. Number 3, choose a topic that interests you. Involvement and motivations are key to confidence in a good presentation. 5th, give your presentation a clear and logical organization so that everyone can follow. Number 5, present information visually. This adds interest to your talk and makes it easier to follow. Number 6, practice giving your presentation until you are familiar with the key points. This way, you may discover any potential problems and check the timing. Besides, practice will also make you feel more confident when giving a presentation. Now let's move to the basic outlines or the structures of an academic presentation. There are 7 points in an academic presentation. Number 1, introduction. Here we introduce a topic, some basic background, and thesis, or your stance or argument if you have. Number 2, outline. The outline here, we provide basic bullet points and the key parts of the presentation that we'll present it to our viewers. Number 3, main body. For the main body part, we must divide the main body into several sections. Number 4, evaluation. Always included in evaluation. This can be a separate section or part of the main body of the presentation. Number 5, conclusion. Summarize key points, restate the thesis, and make a recommendation, suggestion, or a prediction. Number 6, reference list. Create one slide with all of your sources for your presentations. And number 7, questions. Why number 7 is question? Well, we gotta be prepared to answer questions because the viewers or the one who follows your academic presentation will probably have questions that are related to your presentation. Now let's learn how to deliver a good presentation. Number 1, cope with nerves. Breathe deeply. It calms you down and stops you from talking too quickly. Number 2, control your voice. Speak clearly and try to sound interesting by changing intonation and rhythm. Number 3, watch your body language. Try to give the impression that you are relaxed and confident. 4, maintain eye contact with your audience. It keeps them interested in what you're saying. For this reason, you should not read. Number 5, provide visual information, but do not give too many facts at a time. Give your audience enough time to take them in. And last one, keep attention by asking rhetorical questions. Now let's move to the last one, and it's called debate. But what is a debate? Well, a debate is basically a for or against argument. You have to debate why your position is correct and why your opponents are wrong. You are allocated a time to present your arguments and add rebuttal to the opposing points. You need to support your ideas also with evidence such as facts, figures, stats, and sources, so your argument is more stronger. And once it's a debate, there are the topics. But what kind of topics that usually we use in academic debate? Well, the topic for the debate in academic speaking usually is the current issues of public importance, such as climate change should be taken more seriously, or about general philosophies or ideas such as beauty is better than brains. The team that agrees with the topic is called the affirmative side, and the team that disagrees with the topic is called the negative side. And how do we set up the debate? Well, usually the debate consists of 2 teams of 3 speakers. There should be a timekeeper and the judges. Sometimes the judges, it can be the audience. Each presenter has a specific time, normally 4 minutes, to present ideas and their rebuttals, and after each presenter has spoken, the judges evaluate the debate on the basis of the content, style, and strategy of speeches. And that's all for today about the academic speaking. We have learned what is academic speaking is, why it's important, and the 3 contents of the academic speaking. For your last notes about academic speaking contents, there are seminars, presentation, and debate. If you're wondering to know more about these 3 contents of academic speaking, you may ask your teachers or lecturers to talk about it, or even performing one, so you can get experience and also learn more about it. And that's all for today, and I'm sorry if I have problems or misconception in my speaking. That's all from Mr. G, and see you next time. Bye!